world, welcome to DCodeMania. I am Sahil and you are watching ninth video of the project User Management System with Admin Panel. In previous video you have seen that how I have designed the navigation menu of home and other pages. Now today in this video I am going to show you how to design this home page. Okay, so let's start. So open your project. Now here you can see this is home.php file. So today I am going to code only in this home.php file. Okay, so let's remove this h1 tag from here. Just remove this h1 tag. Now first what I will do is here just create a container div. Okay, and inside this container I will create a row, and inside this row I will create a column with call lg12. Now inside this column I will display an alert that shows your email is verified or not. If your email is not verified, then the alert will display, and if your email is verified, then the alert will not display. Okay, so for this let's come here in session.php file. Now here I will just do one more thing, is here I will check using if condition. If verified is equal to 0, it means your email is not verified. Then I will store not verified text. Okay, and if your email is verified, then here I will store in verified variable verified. Okay, verified. Okay, now let's come to home.php file, and here I will use php tags, and here I will use if statement, and then I will check for verified is equal to not verified. Okay, now if your email is not verified, then what will happen? I will display an alert here. So I will use Bootstrap alert. So alert and alert danger and alert dismissible, text center, margin top 2 and margin 0. Now inside this div I will first create a button with class close. Okay, and type will be button, and data dismiss equal to alert. Okay, now here I will just write ampersand times. Now just below this button I will use strong tag, and here I will display the message. So hey, your email is not verified. We have sent you an email verification link on your email. Check and verify now. Okay, check and verify now. Now let's save, and just here I will close the if statement. So just use end if. Okay, now if you save this and go to your browser and refresh here, then you can see an alert that your email is not verified. Okay, so if you go to the database and users table, then I am logged in with this user number 5. Okay, so if you go to check the verified column, then here you can see the value is 0. It means the email is not verified. That's why this alert is showing here. Okay, if we change this verified 0 to 1 and save. Then let's see what happens. If you refresh here, then you can't see the alert because the email is verified. Okay, so I am doing manually from the users table, but I will do this I will do this dynamically in later videos. Okay, so for now just make this 0, and now just below this here I will display a heading. Okay, so here I will use h4 tag, and in class I will use text center and color text primary margin top 2. Okay, and here I will write your notes here and access anytime anywhere. Okay, you can write anything. I am just writing this. If you save this and go to the browser, then here you can see the heading. Okay, now just below this heading, okay, here what I will do is I will create a card. So just use card class, and here I will use h5 tag for the card header. Okay, and just give card header, and I will use background color bg primary. Okay, and display flex, and if we save, now inside this tag I will use span and class text light, and use led and all nodes. Okay, now here I will use anchor tag, and I will not use title here. Instead I will use class. So in class I will use button light. Okay, and I will also use data toggle model. Okay, and data target. Here I will write add note model, sorry, and okay, now here I will use font awesome icon. So just using fa as fa plus circle and fa lg. Okay, and here I will write I will give some space using nbsp. Sorry, just move one more, and here just write add new note. Okay, if we save this and go to the browser, so here you can see we have just created a button, but let's move this button to the right side. Okay, so for this what I will do is in card header, here I will just use justify content between. Okay, justify content between, and if we refresh, then here you can see this button is on right side and all nodes is showing in top. So we have to make this center. So for this, here just use align self center. Okay, now this looks good. Now what I will do next is in card I will use border primary. Okay, border primary. now I will create card body. So here just use card body, and if you save this, now you can see the card body here. Now in card body I will create a div with class table responsive, and here I will use an id so note. Okay, and inside this I will create a static table right now, okay, for displaying all the nodes. So I'm just creating only the design, okay, I'm not making this dynamic. I'm just designing this page. Okay, so here I will design a static table. So for this I will use table tag, and in class I will use table strict class, and I will use text center. Okay, now I will use t head tag, and here I will use tr tag, and then I will use th tag, and first I will display the id of note, and then title of the note, and then I will display the note, and then action. Okay, save this, go to the browser and refresh. Now here you can see the heading of the table. Now just below this t head I will create t body. Okay, and in t body I will use td tag, and here just write one some dummy data, title web design, and in note I will use lorem. Okay, and just remove some text, I'll keep this only. And now in action I will use td tag again, and in action I will create 3 action button. First is for view detail, to view the note in details, and second is to edit the note, and third one is for delete the note. Okay, so for this here I will use anchor tag. Okay, and in title I will write view details, and class text success. Okay, so make this text success, and here I will give a custom class info button. Okay, info button. And now next I will do is here I will display an icon using I tag. So here I will use fa info circle and falg. Okay, now here I will just use nbsp to give some space. Save this, go to the browser and refresh. So here you can see one icon, view details. Now let's copy the same anchor tag, and here I will write edit note. Okay, and here I will use primary, and I will also change this to edit button. Okay, edit button, and here I will change the icon also. So just write fa edit. Okay, now save this to the browser, refresh. So here you can see the edit icon. Now one more, just create one more icon, delete note, and here I will use danger, and here just I will write delete button. Okay, and here I will use trash alt class of font awesome. Save this, go to the browser. Okay, so you can see this is the delete note icon, edit note icon, and view in detail icon. Okay, Now what I will do next is, when someone click on this add new note button, then we will display a model containing two input field. First is title and second is note and a button. Okay, so let's design the model. So for creating the model, what I will do is, I will just okay, so here I will create the model. So here I will write some comment, add new note model, just comment this, and in here I will write start add new note model, and end add new note model, and inside this I will create a div first, model fade. Okay, and here I will give an ID, add note add note model. Now again I will create a div, and here I will write model dialog dialog centered, and inside this div I will create div class model content, and inside this I will create div class model header, and here I will use bg success for background color, and here I will use h4 tag, h4, and I will give some bootstrap class to this h4 tag, model title text light, and here I will write add new note. Okay, and just below this h4 tag I will use button tag, and here I will use type attribute will be button, and class will be close, and text will be light, and data dismiss model, and here I will use ampersand times. Okay, ampersand times. Now I will just create model body, so just model body. Okay, now inside this model body I will create the form, but before creating a form, first what I will do is just come here in these icons, anchor tags, first not here, first just come here. Here you can see I have created an anchor tag for add new note, and here you can see I have used data toggle and data target, and in data target you can see I have written add note model. Okay, ID, and here I have used the same ID. Now if we save this and go to the browser and refresh and click on add new note, then you can see this see the model. Okay, so let's close this and make the form. So for form I will use form tag, and here I will use action has, method will be post, and ID will be add hyphen note hyphen form. Okay, and here just give some padding to left and right, so here I will use px3. Okay, now inside this form, first I will create a div with form group, and inside this I will create a input into text. Okay, and in name I will use title, and I will not use value here, so just remove this, and I will use class, and in class I will use form control, and I will also use form control lg. Okay, form control lg, and in placeholder I will write enter title, and this will be required field, so just use required. If you save this and go to the browser, refresh and click on add new note button, then you can see one input field is showing here. Okay, now let's quickly create our another. So just use same div form group class, and here this time I will create a text area. Okay, so just use text area tag, and here I will use name attribute, and in name I will write note, and class form control lg. Okay, and I will also use placeholder write your note here. Okay, and here I will use rows will be 6, and this field is also required. And okay, if we save this, go to the browser and refresh, then here you can see the text area. Now finally let's create a button. So for button, just create another form group div, and here just write input submit. Okay, and in name I will write add note, and here I will use id add note button. Okay, and in value I will use add note, and give some bootstrap class to this in button. So here I will use button success button block and button lg. Okay, if you save this and go to the browser and just click on this add new note, then you can see the model is ready for add new note. Okay, so here you have to write all the details and click on add new note to add a new note to the database. Okay, so we will do it later, but I'm just creating the home page now. Okay, now let's create one more. When we click on this icon, edit icon, then also we should display a model. So for this I will just use the same model, so just copy the same thing from here. Okay, copy it and paste here. Okay, just change add to edit start edit note model, and here I will just write edit note model, just change, and here also edit note. Okay, and here I will change the color to info. Okay, and all will be same, and okay, just give an id title, and here give it an id also note. Okay, and in button I will change this to edit note, and here in id I will change it to edit note button, and here in value I will write update note, and in button success I will write info, and all will be same for now. Okay, I'll also create a hidden input hidden, type hidden, and name will be id, and sorry, in here I will use id will be also id. Okay, save this. Now we have to use this id here in edit note icon. So here what I will do is I will use data toggle equal to model, and data target equal to hash and the id. Okay, now if we save and go to the browser and refresh, and if we click on this edit icon, then you can see edit model is displaying. Okay, so our design is ready. One thing more is here I will use data table for pagination. Okay, so let's search for here data, just open data tables.net, and from here what I will do is just go to download, click on download, and from here I will use Bootstrap for styling framework, and just click on this data table, and now just click on minify and concatenate, and click on CDN. So I will use CDN. So first copy this CSS file, sorry, and copy this. Now paste this in header.php file. Okay, so this is the header.php file. So here I will paste just here, save. Now come to home.php again. Now this time just copy this script tag and paste here, CDN data table. Okay, now to make data table working, what I have to do is just, sorry, here just use script tag, and here I will use document dot ready function, and inside this what I will do is I will select the table. So table dot data table. Okay, if you save this and go to the browser, then here you can see the data table pagination is showing. Okay, so if you click on this, then you can see the add new note model, and if you click on this edit icon, then you can see the edit note model. Okay, now that's it for this video. In next video I will show you how to create note table, and also how to insert new note and display all the notes here in this table from the database. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share this video, and also subscribe this channel.